Yau tiulat bathymmai jong kajala lapan Smai do Chief Justice Umanat Singh hakajelang kabalo songkun bhag balong Rajban nekastem hakate jim Smai lai don langru Chief Minister kajong ka Meghalaya Dr. Mukul Sangma bat ki menteri sarkar. Yau tiulat bakat san jong kajala lakha hakat poitrik brai bakat wei house nem secondary spa sapu khandai bot lalong ru ukhat bagamat jong ka BJP hakajuk por lobat ikakdan kum original secretary jong ka BJP parliamentary party bot lalong ru in charge jong ka defense research and documentation and overseas friends of BJP cell UV Shanmuganthan ula pendap ru ika postgraduate gold medalist hak political science but hakini gijal inti kajungu ula tho ru ya lightly kikot kita gbede bat ka culture bat ka bede bat ka imlang salang jongkinong Tamil.
With your permission, sir, the warrant of appointment will now be read. The warrant under the hand and seal of the President of India appointing Shri V. Shanmuganthan to be the Governor of Meghalaya. By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 155 of the Constitution of India, I, Pranab Mukherjee, President of India, hereby appoint Shri V. Shanmuganthan to be the Governor of Meghalaya with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 12th day of May in the year 2015, that is 22nd Vaisakha 1937 Sakha, in the 66th year of the Republic of India. Signed, the President of India.
V. Shanmuganthan do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office of Governor of Meghalaya and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.